Good morning, viewers at home. Today we want to look at word problems involving simultaneous equations. That is to look at how we can use the knowledge of simultaneous equation to solve real-life situations and problems. We have a question on the board here. A man is 20 years older than his son. 8 years ago, he was 5 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. The man is 20 years older than his son. 8 years ago, he was 5 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Now, the first thing to do is we let x be the man's age. We represent the man's age with a variable x, and y be the son's age. So x is the man's age and y is the son's age. Now, a man is 20 years older than his son. That shows if you subtract the son's age from the man's, we have 20. That is x minus y equals 20. This gives us equation 1. From the second statement, 8 years ago, he was 5 times as old as his son. 8 years ago, if the man is x years old now, 8 years ago, he will be x minus 8. If the son is y years old now, 8 years ago, the son will be y minus 8. So this was the man's age 8 years ago, while this was the son's age 8 years ago. And we are told that the man was 5 times as old as his son. That means x minus 8 was 5 times y minus 8. So this is x minus 8 equals, open this bracket, 5 times y, 5y, 5 times 8, 40. Then we collect like terms. We arrange it in form of simultaneous equation. We have x, this comes here, it becomes minus 5y equals minus 40. When 8 comes here, it becomes plus 8. So x minus 5y equals minus 40 plus 8, that is minus 32. This gives us equation 2. So the next thing now is to decide either to use elimination or substitution method based on the previous classes. So we are taking substitution method. In equation 1, x minus y equals 20 from here. That shows my x will now be 20 plus y. This gives me equation 3 because I have to make x the subject of formula. Now I will substitute 20 plus y. 20 plus y for x in equation 2. Don't forget, I used equation 1 to derive equation 3. So I will substitute this equation 3 in equation 2. Equation 2 says x minus 5y equals minus 32. And my x is 20 plus y. So 20 plus y minus 5y equals minus 32. So we now collect like terms. If we collect like terms, y minus 5y equals minus 32 minus 20, because when 20 comes to this side, it becomes minus. Y minus 5y is minus 4y. Minus 32 minus 20, minus 52. So we divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4y over minus 4 equals minus 52 over minus 4. Our y is 4 in 52, that is 13. So we'll go back to equation 3. In equation 3, x equals 20 plus y. So x equals 20 plus 13. X equals 33. So this means the man is 33 years old and the son is what? The son is 13 years old. So with this, we have gotten the ages of the man and the son. Thank you.